Creativity and your daily creative routine. Important tips to improve your creative thinking. Creativity is a skill that we all possess, but it needs to be nurtured and practiced. In this video, we will explore the importance of creativity and how you can improve your creative thinking skills. Creativity is a skill that everyone possesses, it just needs to be nurtured and practiced. Creativity is a powerful tool that can be used to solve any problem. It can be used to innovate and come up with new ideas and solutions. Creativity is the process of generating novel or imaginative ideas, or new concepts, by combining concepts or elements in a novel way. Creativity is not limited to art, music, design, science and engineering. It can be applied in any domain. Creative thinking is the act of being creative by improving your creativity skills through learning new skills and mastering old ones. It's about building on what you already know and using it in different ways to create something original. The following are some tips you can use every day to improve your creative thinking. Spend time alone. Spend time with people, make lists, draw pictures, take breaks, learn new things. How to improve creative thinking with brainstorming techniques. Creative thinking is a skill that has been honed by many people. Whether you are a writer, artist, or scientist, creativity is an important part of your profession. Creative thinking is a skill that can be improved with more practice and the right techniques. Brainstorming techniques are one way to improve creative thinking skills. When brainstorming ideas, it's important to come up with as many ideas as possible without judgment. The goal of brainstorming is to get all of your ideas out onto the table so you can start evaluating them and picking the best ones for your project. The best approach for brainstorming depends on the situation and what you need from it in terms of creativity and innovation. For example, if you need to solve a problem quickly, then rapid-fire brainstorming might be best for you because it gives everyone in the group an opportunity to participate in generating ideas quickly. There's two things that we can do to continue the journey together. Firstly, thank you very much for watching my video. Secondly, I would love it if you subscribe and leave a comment as well. See you in the next video.